Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll focus on calculating the unit price after applying a discount in FR3 report. Calculating the net unit price for an item is simple. The formula is amount divided by quantity. Next, let me show you how to calculate the net unit price after applying a discount for multiple items. For this invoice, the item's original price is RM3000. With a 10% discount, the new unit price will become RM2700. Now, let me show you how to show the RM2700 unit price after the discount in the report. First, click on the Memo icon and place it on the Detail Data 1. Memo can be used in two ways. First, it can serve as a label, allowing you to directly type the text and display it in the report. Second, it can be used for calculations by enclosing the report data field in square brackets. So now, to calculate the unit price after the discount, use the formula shown in the picture. Put a square brackets and double-click on the document detail amount field, then add a / to represent a divide, followed by double-click on the document detail quantity field. If you want to limit the number of decimal places for the unit price, you can use a rounding formula. Add simple roundto at the beginning, followed by an open bracket. Next, insert a comma here, then -2, and finally close the bracket. The -2 specifies that the result should display 2 decimal places. If you need 3 decimal places, simply change it to -3. After entering the desired formula, press OK to save. Thus, when you preview the report, it will display the unit price after the discount, which in this case is RM2700. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.